everybody. I just wanted to show you guys what's on my bench for today. We have some new patterns of bracelets. Well, new patterns of silverware we're going to turn into bracelets. A couple of older ones. 1897. These are going to make some really pretty bracelets. And then this end, these are going to become elephant earrings. And then this stem piece here is going to become another pair of earrings. So we'll get to use the whole thing. We have another set. Did I get this one? Yep, 1923. Very cool pattern for the bowls. These are going to become elephants today, hopefully. I got 3 more elephants over here. We just hit a jackpot on all of the pattern forks. And then, of course, we got some rings to make, and then whatever's left on my list. Alright, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you again. Remember to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell to be able to see our new videos. Alright, have a good day, everyone.